Okay, YouTube. I'm gonna rap acapella today. So, I guess from now on, cause my computer's acting up, I don't know why. From now on, if you guys anytime want me like to do a beat or anything, I might have to I don't know what I'm gonna do, but just give me suggestions. So like what things you want me to rap about or something like that. So like today I'm just gonna rap about not really in particular, just rap about something. Let me think of something here. Let me see, look around, look around. Um, you know what? I'm just rap. So, yo, check it. I'm a G, don't really care what you say, cause you know I'm gonna do me all day, making girls laugh. Man, you gon' really hate, cause every time I walk around, you staring, what you staring at? Got an eye problem? Take your picture, last longer, man, eye doctors. Cause you know I hit him up in the face like Pop. Muscle so big, they like way. They like way shooting a 3-shot. Man, I'm just doing it big, no free shots. But you know, every time I throw a tomahawk, it just hit your girl face like a ram stock. Cause you know, it might be an accident. She might have to move over on a taxi dim. Cause you know, I just make my cash. Do it real big like King in England. Yeah, I'm bad. Yeah, ain't Michael Jackson. But you know, I do it big, no hacking. Yeah, but you know, I stay fly. Man, I'm like a jet plane flying up in the sky. I do it big and I'm improving. I don't care what you say, man. I'm doing me, doing it big like I really do. But you know, every time I take a drink, I'll be like, who is you? Don't care if you're related or not, man. Every time I get drunk, man, I'm just hitting the spot, hitting the clock, hitting it like rock to sock. Cause you know, I just smack 'em like Taka Bak. Cause you know, I don't really even care how much time I got on the clock. So, I just do it like Call of Duty Black Ops and make a drop shot. Yeah, you know, I was just spitting. So, you know, just comment something, I guess. But, you know, just, leave in the suggestion box or message me saying what kind of things you guys want me to rap about. So pretty much after this one, I'm gonna make another one. So, alright, that's it.